Today in this world, this coronavirus is spreading a lot, and for that you can do two things. One is simply sit at home, and that can't be done easily, and the second thing is you have to just go out and do your work. And for the second thing, you should need protection, and for the protection you should wear a mask. And do you know which type of mask you should wear so that you can protect yourselves from this disease? And in this video I'm just going to deliver you the answer for that question, and let's start the video right now. Hi friends, and welcome to our channel Only Independent. And if you want to know some unknown facts like this or videos like these, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications. First of all, there are three types of masks that you should know so that you can get these things done, and after that we can go off which mask that you can wear or which mask is available to you so that you can wear to prevent this coronavirus. The first type of mask is named as N95, and this is the rare mask you couldn't buy at all, because this mask can be only worn by people who are in a place where this virus can be affected easily. And this N95 can prevent you from this coronavirus to up to 90%, and this is a research made by the scientists, and this is the thing they have got out from wearing this mask, and this can prevent up to 90% from getting you affected from coronavirus. The second type of mask is named as medical mask, and this mask can be seen by many people, or when you go to a hospital or any other place where there are patients, you can see many people wearing this mask, and this mask will protect you from this disease for up to 60 to 80%. That is, this mask will block the dust particle getting into your nose or your mouth for up to 60 to 80%. The first two masks, that is the N95 and the medical mask, should be used only once in a while, because when they are wearing this mask, they are in a situation where this disease can be affected easily, and that is why it is said that it should be used only once. The third mask is known as homemade mask, and this should be made of cotton only. If you are buying outside or if you are going to buy any mask, make sure that this mask is made of cotton thing, and you should only buy this mask, and you can only wear these masks because this is the mask that are available to you easily. And make sure that when you're even though doing these masks in your home, make sure that this mask should contain at least 3 layers so that it can prevent you from the dust particles, and these are said by the researchers all over the world. And make sure it is made up of cotton. This cotton mask should be washed immediately after you use it, and you should keep it on the sun for as long as you can so that it can be used after that time. And finally, the mask that you can use should be made up of only cotton, and make sure that it has at least 3 layers, and it should be covered from ear to ear. And you should just watch these things when you buy a mask, and these are the things that are said by the researchers so that you can wear these masks to prevent from this coronavirus. If you are having a medical mask, make sure that you should use only once. Don't wash the medical mask and reuse it. It is not advisable. And the second thing is, if you are using cotton mask, wash it and keep it on the sun, and make sure that it is made up of 3 layers. That's all guys. I hope you like this video, and if you have any suggestions for this video, do just leave it in the comment. And if you like this video, do subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next